guard dogs are definitely onto us. Okay, so we're out here today in the outskirts of Shanghai, exploring the ruins of this chemical factory. But before we do anything, I'd like to thank this viewer, one of y'all, for reaching out and giving us info about the spot. He's called Mr. K, also a fellow explorer who often posts to Red Note, the Chinese social media platform. Really cool content too. Anyways, this place we're at right now, it was left behind by its original owners in the late 90s for unknown reasons. Locals talk about guard dogs, security patrols, and for a place closed since the 90s, yeah, it's pretty suspicious. We even had to sneak in through the back breach after spotting scooters and patrol circling around the perimeter. Alright, immediately we see something kind of weird. There's this jacket left behind, pretty small, like a child's even. Doesn't seem like uniform from the guards, factory attire, or anything left behind by fellow explorers. So, we can't seem to get in this one. Okay, so the front door is locked and we're going to try to get up these stairs. There's glass shards on the ground, even though there's no windows directly above. It's really weird. Maybe it's blocked on purpose because, look, there's no broken windows here or anything. There's security tapes here that date to 2006. The note says it's the property of security office. Like we said earlier, it's strange how there's guards and security tapes and all of this in an abandoned location. This sign roughly translates to pharmacy or clinic. I think this floor is where they kept some of their products. Well, speak of the devil. There seems to be a half-buried stash of strange chemicals over here. See, there's bottles here just sealed, completely just... Yeah, and the smell here is like rotten eggs and burnt matches, like sulfur. And the brown bottles here, it could be sulfuric acid, but that's not really available for civilians to use here in China. I mean, the government's really strict on this stuff. It should be banned and illegal, so who knows? I'm not a chemist. There's also these bottles with blue stuff infused in the top. I'm not even gonna touch that. It's like metal. Basically some sort of acid. Yeah, see, these ones have clumps of white salt-like rocks inside. I'm not gonna even try to explain this. I'm just gonna say that the government cracks down really hard on any sort of chemical. Basically just can't get this as a civilian. And, you know, it looks pretty deliberate. It doesn't look like residue. Someone stored this. I mean, look at the sand covering it. That's just not normal for a normal chemical factory. I mean, there would probably be leftover shelves or something. Someone probably deliberately put this here after it was shut down. Looks like the old elevators crashed too. So, now we're gonna go downstairs. Alright, the windows are blocked off, but at least we get a view. The entrance to this building is blocked off by this huge rock here. I'm gonna have to move it. I don't know why an abandoned place has so much secrecy surrounding it. So even after we got through the door, I mean, looks like the inside of the factory is just walled up. Looks freshly painted too. It doesn't seem right for a place forgotten for decades. But we just know that whoever did this, whoever blocked this place up, they probably don't want us coming inside. This shoe, I mean, $1,000 loss. I mean, workers don't typically wear Yeezys. These cost like at least a couple $100. Only person who I could think of wearing these is, I mean, trespassers. People who come here for some sort of strange activity. Could be linked to the weird stash of chemicals above, but who knows, right? I mean, definitely not fellow urbexers. I mean, I don't think fellow urban explorers would come here to an abandoned spot wearing $1,000 shoes. Which reminds me, if you ever think of doing this stuff, make sure wear some proper equipment so you don't get hurt or anything. so we heard dogs just now, so, we're gonna go to the opposite direction. The broken window here will hopefully lead us into some of the complexes in this area. Maybe going forward is a bad idea. We're close enough to the security to literally see the back of their heads. I mean, who's paying these guys, right? Now we just went through the front gate to get a better look at the mysterious guard post overlooking this place. See, there's guards inside, but they don't look corporate or government. What kind of company would, graffiti up their own front gate, right? The spray paint says, "Stay out or face consequences." Definitely a very shady area that I won't be coming to again. I mean, if they're really from a sort of formal company or the government, they wouldn't be spray painting signs. So this whole place seems very, very shady. I'm not coming back again.